Okay, I need some more 8.7 footage to play with. So I'm gonna ramble for about 30 seconds or a minute. So far, I can't find really any reason to not just shoot in this mode at all times. It shows like everything all around me. I can crop it in a multitude of ways depending on how I want it to end up, or I can just be lazy and upload a square video and everyone can just deal with it. So far, this is by far the standout feature of the Hero 11, because everything else is basically the same. But this, honestly, I believe is worth the upgrade in and of itself, because it's so nice to just get, you kind of just get all of the information, and then afterwards you're like, oh, how do I want this to look? Do I want this to be a vertical video for social media? Do I want this to be a regular 16:9 video for YouTube? And it doesn't really matter because it's all there. So yeah, pretty cool. Colors look good. They have bumped up the bit rate a little bit from 100 used to be the high bit rate option. Now it's 120, so that's nice. And it does have 10-bit color now, so that's also cool. All right, that's probably long enough. I'm gonna go play with this.